In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to face swap in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the tool, choose the right assets, and save your customized avatar with a clean, realistic result. First, open your web browser and search for Heygen. In the results, look for the official site. It should clearly reference Heygen and display the secure padlock in the address bar. Avoid sponsored links that don't match the official domain, as those can be misleading. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In. Use your preferred login method and follow any prompts. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. From here, find the main navigation and click Tools. This is where Heygen groups its creative utilities and effects. Inside Tools, select Face Swap. This opens the workspace where you'll set up your transformation. You'll start by choosing an existing avatar from your library to act as the source or look. Think of this avatar as the base performance. It provides the body, motion, and lighting environment. Pick one that matches the style you want, and if possible, select a clip with even lighting and a neutral pose for the most natural blend. Next, click Upload to provide the face you want to apply. Choose a clear, front-facing, well-lit photo. Aim for a high-resolution image with the subject looking directly at the camera, eyes visible, no sunglasses, minimal shadows, and no heavy filters. Hair should be away from the face if possible, and only one person should be in the frame. Always make sure you have permission from the person whose face you're using. When your photo is uploaded, click Process or Generate to preview the transformation. Heygen will take a moment to analyze and blend the features. Review the preview carefully. If the alignment looks off, try a different source avatar with a closer angle or lighting, or upload a sharper, more centered photo and run it again. Small changes in lighting and pose can significantly improve realism. If you're satisfied with the result, click Save Avatar. This adds your customized version to My Avatars, so you can quickly find and reuse it in future projects. Give it a clear name and description to keep your library organized. That's it. You searched for Heygen, signed in, opened Tools, launched Face Swap, selected a source avatar, uploaded a quality face photo, generated a preview, and saved your new avatar. Practice with a few different photos and looks to see what combinations give you the most natural results, and always respect privacy and consent when working with faces.